Aadhya Anand and welcome back to another science episode of Brain Boosters. Shall we get down to our next topic? Solar energy. Solar energy comes from sunlight that reaches the earth. It varies depending on location, time and weather. Let's get on with our solar energy demonstration, shall we? Let's make a solar updraft tower. Things you need: 3 empty cans with the bottom cut open, 2 thick books, a tape, a piece of wire, thumbtacks, a square paper and scissors. First, let's stack up the cans and tape them well. Next, bend the wire into an arc shape and tape it to the top of the can. And then, attach the thumbtack to the wire like this and tape it well. After this, we will take the paper and cut it diagonally. And now, we will fold it. And then you stick it to the middle. And lastly, let's stick the paper to the pointy end of the thumbtack. Our tower is ready. And now, we place it on top of the books like this. Do you see the gap? It should look like this. And now we place it near the window for direct sunlight to reach it. After a while, you can see the pinwheel spinning. Wow! How magical is that? But it's not magic. It's science. When the sun touches the cans, it becomes very hot. It basically took sunlight and used that to make air move upwards to the tower and spin the pinwheel as it passes by. I hope you enjoyed this science episode on Brain Boosters. Don't forget to try this at home too, but have an adult to help you with the cutting and taping. Bye for now. I'm going to stand under the sun and charge myself up with some vitamin D. See ya!